Hi everyone, today I will talk about the splitter and combiner nodes. In the color page, right-click in the node area and choose Add node. Connect your video to it. This node separates the image into the three channels, red, green and blue. Next we add three corrector nodes and connect each for them to its own channel. Last, add a combiner node. It merges the three channels back into the single image. Unlike regular color grading, here we work with a specific color channel. Instead of simply adjusting the overall color balance. It can also be used to create various effects, such as color distortion. I demonstrated the step-by-step process of adding nodes. However, if you go to the color page and open nodes section, you can also add ready-made group of nodes there. To learn even more about capabilities of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.